A small, heavy pouch clinked loudly as it fell unnoticed from a running man's pocket near the bustling market. Young Rehan, cycling home from school, saw the glint of metal and the forgotten pouch lying in the dust. He recognized the distinct pattern of the old merchant's goods. Rehan stopped his bicycle and cautiously picked it up. The pouch felt surprisingly heavy. He watched the running man disappear quickly into a crowded alleyway. A knot formed in his stomach. What if the man was dangerous and would come back for it, or what if people thought Rehan himself had stolen it? He remembered his Nana Abu's gentle voice, "Beta, doing what's right is never easy, but it's always worth it." Those words echoed in his mind. Taking a deep, shaky breath, Rehan pushed away his fear. He knew he had to return the pouch to its rightful owner, no matter what. Clutching the heavy pouch, he walked towards Mr. Ali's busy shop, feeling the weight of curious glances from passers-by. His heart pounded with every step. Rehan finally reached the shop and, without hesitation, handed the pouch to Mr. Ali, who was busy arranging his wares. "Uncle, I think this is yours," he said softly. Mr. Ali looked surprised, then quickly checked inside the pouch, his face instantly relaxing into relief. He praised Rehan loudly, telling everyone about the boy's honesty. A warm glow spread through Rehan's chest, far brighter than any fear he had felt. He realized that doing the right thing brought a unique and lasting joy. True courage isn't the absence of fear, but the strength to do what's right in its presence.
दोपहर की तपती धूप में पसीने में शराबूर एक नौजवान लड़का अपनी कुदाल से सख्त पथरीली जमीन पर बार बार वार कर रहा था, और देखने वाले हैरानी से इसे घोर रहे थे। ये अली था, पत्थर गांव के खुश्क इलाके का एक नौजवान लड़का जो कुनवां खोदने के लिए पुरज़्म था, एक ऐसा काम जिसे हर कोई इस बंजर जमीन में बिल्कुल नामुमकिन समझता था। देहाती अक्सर तंज करते थे, अली अपना वक्त क्यों ज़ाय कर रहे हो? इस जमीन में पानी नहीं है, लेकिन अली का अज़्म अटल रहा। इसकी माँ का थका हुआ चेहरा और गांव के खुश्क खेत इसके हौसले का बाइस थे। वो अपने घर और बरादरी के लिए पानी लाने का ख्वाब देखता था। रोजाना सुबह से शाम तक वो थकावट के बावजूद खोदता रहता, इसके हाथ कच्चे और जिस्म में दर्द रहता, जबकि दूसरे छांव में आराम करते। इसे एक बड़ी जिद्दी चट्टान मिली जो नाकाबिल तस्खीर लग रही थी, लेकिन हिम्मत हारने के बजाय इसने एक मजबूत औजार ढूंढा और सब्र से इसे काटता रहा। इससे पहले बहुत से दूसरे देहातियों ने पानी तलाश करने की कोशिश की थी, लेकिन चंद फुट खोदने के बाद वो सख्त जमीन से हार मान कर हमेशा छोड़ देते थे। फिर एक शाम महीनों की अनथक मेहनत के बाद इसकी कुदाल अचानक नरम गीली मिट्टी में घुस गई, और उसके बाद पानी के बहने की हल्की सी आवाज सुनाई दी। पानी की एक साफ ठंडी धारा उबलने लगी, आहिस्ता आहिस्ता इस कुनवे को भरने लगी जो इसने बड़ी मेहनत से बनाया था। नामुमकिन वाकई मुमकिन हो चुका था। जल्द ही पूरा गांव खुशी से झूम उठा। अली के कुनवे से ताज़ा पानी हासिल कर रहा था, उनके चेहरे शुक्रगुजारी और नई उम्मीद से चमक रहे थे। मेहनत, इस्तिकामत और पुख्ता अज़्म नामुमकिन तरीन चैलेंजों पर भी काबू पा सकते हैं।
Karim screamed as the enormous golden fish slipped from his grasp, vanishing back into the choppy waves. Just moments before, Karim, a humble fisherman, had pulled the shimmering fish from the river. It spoke, begging for freedom, promising him anything in return. Karim, amazed, wished for a small, comfortable house. The fish granted it instantly, then swam away, telling him to only ask for what he truly needed. Living comfortably, Karim's wife, Fatima, suggested they ask for more wealth. "Why settle for a little when we can have much?" she urged. Karim returned to the river and called the fish. This time, he wished for a grand palace, heaps of gold, and numerous servants. They lived in excessive luxury, but Karim grew restless. He wanted to be the most powerful ruler, to command armies and kingdoms. Again, he stood by the river, his voice demanding, "Make me an emperor. Let all lands bow to me." The river churned violently around the fish. Suddenly, the grand palace vanished. The gold disappeared. Karim found himself back in his old, dilapidated hut, everything gone. Fatima wept beside him, lamenting their foolishness. The magical fish had vanished forever, leaving them with nothing but regret. Kareem finally understood, his endless desires had cost him everything he once had, even the small comfort he first gained. Greed blinds us to the blessings we already possess and often leads to the loss of everything.